Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to record a video using the application called Screenshot on a Mac. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, we need to have access to a Mac, sign into your account, and then go all the way down to the dock, go to your launchpad, search for the application Screenshot. Click on this, and now we can either capture the entire screen, selected window, or selected portion if we were to screenshot only. However, in this tutorial, we are looking to record the screen or a selected portion. We will record the entire screen. Click on record. And now the video is being recorded. If I go to the top and press stop the video, we have a video ready on the desktop. Click on this. Here is the video. Quit QuickTime Player. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.